Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of derivatives. So as per the problem, find the derivative of these four trigonometry functions. So let's start with the first one, y equals sine 2x. So for this function, we'll have to use chain rule, because this function has this outer function which is this trig function sine, and the inner function is this polynomial function 2x. So as per the chain rule, we'll start with the derivative of the outer function. So the outer function is sine, and we know that the derivative of sine is cos. So y prime equals cos of 2x. So this is the derivative of the sine 2x function times the derivative of the inner function, which is the 2x. And in 2x, 2 is the coefficient of the term, so it will stay as it is. And the derivative of x is 1. Now we can simplify this expression. So 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So we can rewrite this expression as, so this should be the derivative of y equals sine 2x. Now we can analyze the second function. So the second function is y equals 2 cos 3x. So for this function, we'll have to use the chain rule, because this trig term has this outer function cos, and the inner function is this polynomial function 3x. Now 2 is the coefficient of the term, so it will stay as it is. So we get y prime equals, so the coefficient 2 stays the same, and now we know that the derivative of the outer function cos is negative sine. So we get negative sine 3x times the derivative of the inner function, which is 3x, and in the term 3x, 3 is the coefficient, so it will stay as it is, and the derivative of x is 1. Now we can simplify this expression. So 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. And now we can multiply 6 by negative sine 3x. So we get, so this should be the derivative of this second function. So now we can analyze this third function. So y equals sine parentheses x cubed minus 2x plus 4. So again we'll have to use the chain rule. So we'll start with the derivative of the outer function, which is the sine function. So the derivative of sine is cos, times the derivative of the inner function, which is this expression x cubed minus 2x plus 4. So as per the power rule, the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared, and the derivative of 2x is just 2. So 2 is the coefficient of the term, so it will stay as it is, and the derivative of x is 1. And the derivative of 4 is equal to 0, because 4 is a constant. Now we can simplify this expression. Now in the second parentheses, 2 times 1 is 2, and the 0 goes away. And now we can rearrange the terms to write this 3x squared minus 2 at the front of the cos term. So this should be the final answer for the derivative of this third function. Now we can analyze the fourth function, y equals to cosine of negative 4x. So 2 is the coefficient of the term, so it will stay as it is. Now the derivative of the outer function, the cosine function, is negative sine times the derivative of the inner function, which is this polynomial function negative 4x. Now minus 4 is the coefficient of the term, so it will stay as it is. And the derivative of x is 1. Now we can simplify this expression. So negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, and negative 4 times the 2 at the front is negative 8. Now we can multiply negative 8 by this negative sign term, so we'll get a positive term. Now we cannot move the negative sign out of this 4x term, so it will stay as it is because that's how it is given in the function. So this should be the final answer for the derivative of the fourth function. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve problems like these. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.